Alrighty guys, leaving the driveway. We're gonna check and see how stable this is. So what I've been dealing with still is the steering wheel shake. So far so good. I don't feel any crazy steering wheel shake, but we're gonna kind of go down. It feels just like a regular car, you know, when you're going over like small bumps, everything. So okay, we're pretty good. This is a good ride. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I got rid of it. I think I'm 100% got rid of the steering wheel shake. This is awesome. Alrighty, you guys. So I'm pretty sure I 100% got rid of the steering wheel shake. We'll see if I update it, you know, if the steering wheel shake comes back. But I think I 100% got rid of the steering wheel shake, and I'm super excited about that. You know, I would drive here and there and it would just shake, but I noticed that the bushings were bad. It wasn't keeping the vehicle stable, you know. So lesson learned, always check your suspension. I'm still learning a lot about cars, so I'm always down to learn new things, as you see on this channel. So I'm you know, I'm learning this as I go. So this is learning about how to take care of an older vehicle, so which is almost as old as me, which is crazy. So for all the people who are wondering how the T is doing, like if there's anything else I've done to it recently besides this new video with the shocks, yeah, let's kind of go over it. So I just got some tint on both of my front windows. I got tint matching, so with the back, my back came already tinted. It got like a 35% tint, so yeah, it's pretty nice. So it's a lot darker in my vehicle now. I feel like I have a little more privacy, but it's just enough where if a cop pulls me over, he can see me, and you know, it's there's no funny business between both of us, you know. My front window is still just clear. I'd rather keep it that way for legal reasons over here in California. And then the interior, I just got some awesome seat covers, some like hunting camo covers, and dude, they look sick. They match up with my steering wheel cover, and yeah, I got these off eBay, so I'll drop a link in the description if y'all are interested, if you guys are looking for some really good seat covers for a 60/40 bucket seat with no gear cutout. But they also make them for a gear cutout, as seen here. So a little closer examination, they sent me the wrong one, and they sent me the one with the gear cutout on it, and then, you know, there's the rest of it. It just kind of hangs down. But I'd rather have it too much than too little, you know. So it even has the same thing on the passenger side. It's kind of overhanging, but I mean, other than that, it's a little loose, but like it's really high quality material. It's like a really high quality canvas, and it even has like more padding on it. Here's a little closer look at it, the finished product. There's the Bilstein 4600 shocks. Oh my God, they look beautiful. I'm so happy. I think I'm forgetting something. I am forgetting something. So besides ordering my new shocks, I ordered the leaf spring shackle, the extended shackle, so I can lift my rear end. As you see from a behind shot, it definitely looks a little saggy. It's kind of hard to tell on the GoPro footage, but you know, obviously you could tell just wheel gap is a lot smaller here. So I'm going to be lifting up the back extra 2 inches. I decided to go an extra 2 inches because I'd rather it's a little bit of like higher up in the back than the front, but I feel like it's going to end up looking like a kind of leveled ride, you know. So I don't really mind if it sticks up a little bit in the back, whatever, you know, because that's what it would look like stock. So yeah, for those of you that were wondering on the leaf spring shackles, I went to 4crawler.com. Really cool guy. He has a YouTube channel too. I'll have like a little title right here, what his name is, but he seems like a really cool dude. And he even shows himself like building the leaf spring shackle for the old school Toyotas. So I thought that was awesome. But yeah, I put in my order, and I don't know when it's going to get here, but he said he'll email the tracking number for when it's shipped. So I'll definitely update you guys with that. So if you want to check out the guy's website, it's 4crawler I think it's .com or .org or something. I'll put it in the description also for you guys that have been asking about it. So yeah, anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. This project has been really fun. I love this truck more and more. The more I add to it, the more I work on it. So my GoPro is so very close to dying, so I need to cut the video. So all right, thank you guys, peace. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty more content with the T100. Thanks guys. You guys have a good day.